Welcome back to Bethany Real Estate. Let's look at what Zillow says how our neighborhood is doing. This is Shawn, the realtor guy from Bethany, Oregon. And based on Zillow's data, as of last month, typical home value is $733,685. 1 year value change in the last year has been minus 3.7%. That's about what I was tracking too. And they're forecasting this year until next year of this time minus 1.7%. So home value is still gonna go down. If you look at the 1 year chart, and it kind of shows pretty clearly here, unfortunately. So this is So this is about the spring of 2025. It's hard to see. Yeah, so I believe they're doing the average price like 750K-ish and continuously going down 735-ish, right now 733-ish, right? So if this continues about 2% more, so that's what they're predicting. I think they're right, probably. And right now there are 243 active listings as of February 28th. Oh, it's already March 18th today. Wow, time flies, guys. And I believe there's a little bit more. I tracked that, what was it, about a week ago. It was a little bit more than that. The new listings, 53. Median sell to list ratio is 98%. Median sell price is that. Median list price is this. Now here, the percentage of sales over list price is about 10%. Means 10% of listings got probably multiple offers, and about 70% of the listings sold under list price. That doesn't mean they didn't get multiple, but that's like after inspection and everything, negotiation is done. I believe it was somewhere in like 97% the last time I checked. Median days to pending is 61 days. So some homes are going to go in the first week. The rest are going to sit on the market for maybe 2 to 3 months to get offers. When you look at the 5-year chart, this gives you a better view. So this is the peak in 2022 spring and summer, and we were at around $339 per square foot kind of market back then. But now we're at around like $305 per square foot. So it's kind of like a, gradually kind of going down thing. But if you go max, so this is a max, this is pre-pandemic, even 2018 here. And when you see this chart, you can kind of see, if you follow my cursor like this, right? So that's kind of like median. No, it's kind of linear chart. Then everything above this line, to me, was access home price bubble, right? And this, if you go back to pre-pandemic, I think this angle might be more accurate, which means we haven't hit the bottom yet, because you have to extend this line about there. You're not seeing it. So I'm pointing about here right now, outside of the chart, which then I could add another 5, 7, 8, maybe 2028 will hit that sort of like linear line mark, which means that we may either continue the current trend or slightly come down in the next 2 years or so. And I wouldn't be surprised if that's what it's going to happen. Right now, I mean, gosh, the inflation is really high, and job market is really bad too. And so when you look at the job market, they should lower the rate. But when you look at inflation, they can't. So they're kind of stuck there. So mortgage rate wise, I believe today it was still like 6% for 30-year fixed. I go to On Point because that's like the local rate that our local buyers get. It may be like 1 or 2 day delayed based on the Fed funds rate or the 30-year mortgage rate. The Fannie Mae kind of rate changes, but this is pretty accurate in my opinion. I'm more tuned into this than the national number because national number added in some margin which doesn't really reflect what buyers get here. So 6% is what I've seen in the last about a week or so. At the lowest rate, I saw as low as 5.625%, which was about, I want to say about a month ago, when the government announced that they're going to buy like $200 billion of mortgage-backed security bond to ease the rate, but then they went to do a war with Iran. Go figure that one. Anyways, that's what I wanted to share today. And if you have any questions about the real estate, pricing, where we're headed, when's the best time to list, how to prep your home, what kind of offer can I get in the current market, feel free to give me a call or text me at 503-515-4499. I've been selling here for about 18 years now, so I know a thing or two. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.